Hi, Jan here. Welcome to Cherry America's YouTube channel. Here you'll find product overview videos and additional information about our company. American innovator Walter Cherry set out over half a century ago to design the best Keyswitch technology in the world. Using his groundbreaking design and German manufacturing, the MX line of Keyswitches was born. In fact, 65 years later, Walter's dream continues, and his Keyswitches are still made in Germany. Cherry has also been producing keyboards longer than any other manufacturer. Cherry's rugged, reliable, and modern keyboards continue to win awards. That same engineering expertise also goes into Cherry's full line of mice and smart card readers. Whether your needs are in the office, industrial, security, healthcare, POS, or Keyswitch markets, you can count on Cherry as the benchmark for input devices. We'll keep adding content to this channel, so be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions or need more information, email us, visit our website, or give us a call.